A short video, but I hope it will change people's life or day at least. I own a Samsung washing machine that has a door lock that does not want to open up. I've spent the better part of 3 hours trying to Google stuff, but literally no one is telling me that this is even a thing, essentially. They all refer to, oh, if you reset it, or turn it off and on, oh, it's the motherboard, oh, it's this or that. Or pull the cord in the bottom, or oh, if you drain it, it'll open up, etc. It might work for you. If it did, congratulations, you saved yourself some headache. If it did not, this is the way to go about it. This is said module of the lock. It's a piece of honest to God crap. This is the original one, Samsung. It has only survived for 4 years. It does not have a pull cord on my particular model, even though it does come with the capability of having it, and I'll show you in a bit. The model itself was about 500 euros back then, which pretty sure should warrant a 5-cent plastic cord. But I digress. Anyway, as you can see here in parts, this is basically the internals. I am keeping them spare in case I ever want to replace the a part in it, because a new one of these ugly bastards originally costs you about 106 euros, which is a bit more than 1/5 of the price of the entire thing, even though it's just a flimsy door lock. These parts, as you can see here, except for the coil, I guess, have zero solder on them. These are all just pressure fit. The connection that's in the bottom here, with the where the connector goes into, is connected with one leg to this solenoid, which is then connected to one of these parts, like one of these prongs. You'd imagine them being soldered on, no, but they're just literally pressure fit, and they literally touch each other so that they have a connection. Actually, it's this part over here. So this is basically just, slit against it, so it makes a connection, which is the most dumb thing in my entire existence on this planet that I've ever seen. Anyway, it's already 2 minutes long. I'll try to be short. Well, I have to rant, I'm sorry. So basically, this is the module. This is the side towards the door. This is the side towards the right of the washing machine. There's this little lever here that you cannot access from the outside. You have to open the back or top panel, I'm sorry. I will show you how to get to it. And you would have to slide your hand besides the drum. Mind you, you can't see anything almost. It's beyond the apex of the drum. So you have to feel until you're at the side, I guess, here of the lock module. And you slide all the way down till you'll feel this little bump, and you will push down onto it. And if you push hard enough, it'll actuate the lever, open this up, and while you hold it down, you need someone to pull the door open, and it'll open up. You need to do that at the same time. Just pulling this once and then opening up doesn't work. You need to have this pulled down while opening it, otherwise it won't work. And you have to pull hard, and you have to push this hard, just so you know. I lost a fingernail doing this because it's that hard. And again, I can't fathom how much of a piece of utter crap this is, essentially. I will now show you where this is located and how you get to it. This is said washing machine. I'm sorry, I have to be a bit quiet. My housemates are asleep. This lock shut tight. This didn't open up. I had a cord, as you can see over there, that did not want to open up. I tried to pull it, but it's so tight that the door lock would not open up, even if I put my entire body weight, pretty hefty guy, to open up. Did not work. So what you have to do is, in the rear, there's 2 Phillips screws in the back, one here, one here. You take 2 of them out, then you slide the entire panel back and up, and it comes loose. There's nothing else connecting it, no wires, so don't be scared. Keep those 2 screws safe. Once you have the door open, be sure that you have no power to the machine. Click the start button a few times so that all the power is gone. and just in case, unplug it if you like. If you want to be really sure, just leave it for like half an hour and then keep pressing the power button a few times and then it's done. So once it's open, all the way in the bottom there, behind that concrete block, all the way in the back, you can't see it, but this module is facing this way. So you have to reach with some small hands to pull this down. So as an example, you go here. I put my hand backwards like this. So I put here, all the way down, you push it in, and while you push it down, you open the door. It has to be done at the same time. What you then do is, over here, there's this boot that's over this normally. And there's a little metal ring around it that has a spring. You put a flathead screwdriver underneath the spring, you pull it out so you can remove the ring, and then you can pull the boot backwards inside the groove, as you can see here. Then you have access to this side, you put it back, you remove 2 screws here, 1, 2. You can pull the module out, it has a lot of slack. Remove this cable, be sure it doesn't get wet on the inside. Put your new module in, screw it back on, put the boot back, put the ring back. It's best to have the spring on the left side or bottom. And that's closed. Test out if the door lock works first before you close everything up. If it does, put the top back on and you're good to go. If not, it might be this module. It has a relay on it that actuates the main door latch. However, if your latch is broken and you keep hearing a click, 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 and it's trying to do something, 90% of the time the relay here is good. If not, you would have to replace the board or only the relay if you can find it. And those bastards go for about 100 to 200 bucks. While the latch goes original for about 60 to 120 or 160. Or a equivalent part for about 15 bucks. Which is what I opted for. It's coming tomorrow, I'm going to install it and I'll see about it. Hopefully your day is better than mine.